Alright.
8 miles an hour.
I'm gonna get WXM33 on here.
30.14 inches and rising. In Altoona, it was cloudy.
So I can give this thing one more chance to activate. My HH54 is also
humidity 60%. The wind was south at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.19 inches and steady. Now a few other local conditions. Pittsburgh, light rain 45. Mostly sunny 52. Latrobe, cloudy 52. State College, partly sunny 43. Clearfield, cloudy 45. Du Bois, cloudy 50. Erie, cloudy 52. Elsewhere around the region, 11 a.m. Williamsport, cloudy 44. Harrisburg, cloudy 50. Philadelphia, partly sunny 51. In Ohio, Cleveland was light rain 47. Akron, light rain 45. Youngstown, light rain 47. Once again in Johnstown, it was 45 degrees under cloudy skies. And in Altoona, it was 44 degrees under cloudy skies. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazard station WXM33, serving the Laurel Highlands and originating.
There's one. Yes!
This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA Weather Radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. This was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems.
Well, that's a Wednesday required weekly test.